Hi everyone, Chris at Gardening Express here. I'm showing you now Acer brown sugar, Acer palmatum brown sugar. Why brown sugar, you say? It looks a bit red. Well, it starts red and then that leaf will age to sort of a soft brown kind of colour, almost like melted sort of sugar. So that is the Acer brown sugar. Perfect if you want a sort of small specimen tree. Good for a Japanese style garden, as the name suggests, Japanese maples. Come autumn, you get a wonderful autumn colour on these, bright yellows to orange to scarlet red. Bit depends on the weather, but you get this beautiful spring foliage, has it all year round. The new growth is red in the tips, fading off to a sort of a lighter, kind of almost melted brown sugar colour, hence the name. And then later in the year, you get that beautiful foliage colour. You have the structure of the branches in winter, really good plant. And if you're feeling tempted, put the leaves in a bit of batter, fry those off, and you've got a wonderful Japanese snack. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.